Hello, fellow traders, and welcome back to the 500 strategy. Do you remember this monthly chart on the pair Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, AUDJPY? I was publishing a video in the month of October, beginning of November, about this pair that is about to offer us a beautiful short trade. At the time, I was explaining how this was our strongest historical resistance level that was about to get tested in this supply zone. At the time of the previous video, price was here tagging and testing this previous resistance level. I was expecting, and price confirmed my theory, that we would beat this level and try and test it as support again. You can see how in the month of November, price broke out of it to the upside, and now we're currently in the month of December. We are tagging the supply zone as previously mentioned, but we're yet to perfectly test it as support. So we still need to observe what price will be doing. Price may continue to the upside or go downside for a little bit, even down to the month of January 2026 to retest this as support. We may have to be a bit more patient. However, if price in the coming weeks was to really go strongly to the upside, test this resistance level and indicate a strong reversal, strong rejection. How do we spot this? We will spot this by looking at the wick of the weekly and of the monthly candles. You see how this is a strong wick, strong rejection indication here, as well as here, as well as here. That is what we're going to be looking at. A strong wick of rejection may be followed by a strong reversal body. As of now, we do not have that type of signal. So we can expect the supply zone to be tested even more. There is actually more of imbalance, more of a fair value gap here to be filled up. So I'm still expecting in the coming weeks price to go up on AUDJPY. So we'll be looking probably January 2026, maybe February 2026 at this reversal level, in which case when we have confirmation on the candles, we can be looking at our long-term short. I will be monitoring this and posting a further video when the time comes. I want to make sure that anybody following this doesn't miss this beautiful move.